How to lock your WhatsApp account without installing any app. Do you want to lock your WhatsApp account without installing any app? If yes, then you can use WhatsApp own lock feature fingerprint and password that will protect your privacy. If you lock WhatsApp with fingerprint or password, this will protect your WhatsApp chats, images, videos and others documents, and no one will be able to see or access your WhatsApp without your permission. So let's get started. How to lock WhatsApp on Android using WhatsApp's own fingerprint lock feature. Open the WhatsApp app application. Now tap on the three vertical lines at the top right side. Go to Settings, and then tap on Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Fingerprint Lock. Now enable Unlock with Fingerprint option. Here you will be asked to confirm your fingerprint. Here touch the sensor, use the finger you registered in phone settings fingerprint. After confirming the fingerprint, select the time frame after which WhatsApp will be automatically locked if you close WhatsApp. If you wouldn't like to preview sender and message text inside new message notifications, then you can disable the show content in notifications option. So this way you can lock your WhatsApp account without installing any app, and secure your WhatsApp so that no one can see or able to access your WhatsApp account without your permission. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel to get more update video. Thank you for watching.